In this video, we're gonna learn how can we get Moho. In order to download this software, you're gonna go to moho.lostmarble.com. So you're gonna go there. You're gonna click here, try. According to your own system, if you're using Mac, so you're gonna download this, and if you're using Windows, you're gonna click here. It will ask for download location. So I'm gonna provide the location on desktop. So when you click save, because I've already downloaded it, so I'm not gonna download it, right? If you're gonna click save, so it will be saved on your desktop. So let's begin the installation, right? After the download process, you're gonna double click this icon on your desktop. Then I'm gonna select language. English is fine with me. I accept the agreement. I'm gonna leave this default. Next, create a desktop shortcut. Then I'm gonna click install. It's being installed right now. After this, you're gonna click finish. As I already have the serial number, I'm gonna click here. I will provide my information, then I will activate, and it's gonna activate then. Finally, it's asking me where to put Moho's content when I'm gonna use the program. I'm gonna choose the folder. As I've already dedicated a folder to Moho content, I'm gonna select this folder. When the Moho starts, right, you see this kind of window there. You're gonna click here, don't show this again. You won't see this again if you click here. I don't want to see this again. This pop-up window shows setting regarding my library or assets of Moho. I'm just gonna close it. By default, Moho has this kind of setting that whenever you're gonna open, a new project's gonna open, right? So this is a sample project that you can create with a Moho, right? So it's a kind of animation out there. Every time you're gonna run Moho, a sample project's gonna run into it. You're gonna disable it. I will later describe how can you disable this feature. In the next videos, we'll talk about the interface of Moho. See you then.